Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introducing ourselves. We are from 11 TJKT2. We'll show our English project. My name is Ilham Nur Rahman.
My name is Aditya Satya Saputra.
My name is Kalatra Chandra Jawan Saputra.
My name is Hamid Fadil Rizvi.
And my name is Zaid Brahim.
Let's take a look.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I'm gonna explain how to configure the access point PTA. This one. Let's move it. Access point PTA. This is different with access point normally. Most videos maybe you find only use access point PT normal, which is use 2.4 GHz channel, right? 2.4 GHz frequency. But here I'm going to use this one, access point PTA, which is use 5 GHz channel. So I'm already setting up some our to-do list here. First we need to do is set up the devices. As you can see here, we already set the access point PTA. We only need to set up the other device. Let's put it 2N device. 2N device. PC0 and PC1. And we add switches there. Just like that. Just like that, our first to-do list is already complete. Let's check it. Then we need to set up the cable, right? Let's set it up. You either doing manually like this, as Ethernet to as Ethernet to, or you just use the lightning. Let's just faster. Then if we already complete the second step, set up the cables. Let's check it out. Then before we go to third step, change the wireless module, I'm gonna set up the Wi-Fi first from access point 0. SSD, it's basically the name of the Wi-Fi. You can name it whatever you want, but here I'm gonna use 5 GHz channel. If we add to PSK 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7, use easy password for this, but in reality don't ever use easy password. It's easy to hack. Then after that we're going to step 3, change the wireless module. Open up the PC0, turn it off, scroll it down, put the already inserted default device out, and here in 2.4 GHz frequency you basically need this, right? UMP 300N. Just put it there and turn it on, right? And you're going to go desktop or maybe config. Put don't reply this isn't going to work because it's different frequency. As you can see here, 2.4, right? You will never found the Wi-Fi you're looking for. It's the 5 GHz because it's different frequency. You can't use that. Here we going to change the module. We aren't going to use this one. We use this one, 1WA, because it's provide 5 GHz wireless interface, 5 GHz. So it support with your access point PTA Wi-Fi. Just put it out, plug it in, turn it on. Then you can use the PC wirelesses, right? Because it's only for 2.4 GHz. It's not for 5 gigahertz. You need VMP 300N. So here we're going to configure it manually from config wireless 0. It's easier rather than PC wireless. Just need to name the Wi-Fi of gigahertz and the password of it and the type of authentication. Like before, we use WPA to PSCAP because that the standard Wi-Fi for basically everywhere. Let's put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 as our password like before, and it will be connected like just like that. Let's check the third step. Check. Then the next step is configure the IP address. I'm gonna configure it from here. Desktop IP. We change it to static. Oh, and this access point PTA. Oh my bad. Is support for DHCP too. So you can use DHCP if you want, but here I'm gonna use static. Use that IP address is at 11 because one is for gateway, for server, for much more important device. We just for we not gonna crash each other IP. It's I think it's the standard for the killer. Same here in PC1. I'm going to configure the IP2. Here we're going to 12. We can use 11 because already taken. The gateway must be same. Gateway is just like the path. The path must be same. You can meet other device with different path, different way, different road, whatever you like to call it. After that, we check the fourth step. Configure the IP addresses is complete. Now let's test it out. We ping here from there. Successful, as you can see here. Again, we ping here to there. Successful again. Let's watch it from simulation. Ping here to there. Oh, start. I'm going to speed it little bit because it's so slow if you pull it in the middle here. It's just much better. Just wait until the status says successful. It means it's successful. What about vice versa? Sure, let's watch it. Start. It's from PC1 to PC0. Before is PC0 to PC1. Let's just wait a bit. See, successful. Whatever here there is showing us, just ignore. All you need to see is it successful or not. Just ignore the ping that this is gonna appear from unexistent like that. Just ignore that. Here it's mean our network topology is already complete and it working. So let's check all our to-do list, right? Access point are working, everything working fine, and that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.